Buy aged GitHub accounts. Are you looking to boost your online business? Buy GitHub accounts might be just what you need. When you buy GitHub accounts, you open up new doors for your company. These accounts can help you in many ways. When you buy GitHub accounts, you get instant credibility. GitHub is where top coders share their work. Having active accounts makes your business look tech-savvy. This can impress potential clients or partners. Another reason to buy GitHub accounts is to save time. Building a GitHub profile from scratch takes months or even years. But when you buy GitHub accounts, you get established profiles right away. This means you can start showing off your coding skills to the world immediately. So buy GitHub accounts. Our services: 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed, 100% undeletable GitHub account, active GitHub account, very affordable prices, high quality services, 100% money back guarantee. Be prepared for 24/7 customer support. Additional bonuses are available for each service. If you want to purchase this product, prepayment is required. Contact us now for details. 24/7 hours. Contact email fastboostjuicer42@gmail.com, Telegram @fastboostjuicer, Skype fastboostjuicer, WhatsApp +1 26922099243.